In the vibrant dance of nature, hummingbirds perform a unique aerial ballet. These tiny avian marvels are the only birds capable of flying backwards. This extraordinary ability is due to their specialized wing structure and rapid wing beats, often exceeding 50 times per second. Unlike other birds, hummingbirds rotate their wings in a full circle, allowing them to hover and move in any direction with ease. This agility is essential for accessing nectar from flowers. By flying backwards, they can efficiently navigate dense foliage and revisit blossoms for sustenance. In this delicate balance of life, their backward flight is not just a spectacle, but a vital adaptation for survival and success.